Now, it's late November and I'm giving my lilies some love. This is quite a good time to do it because they've gone dormant now, so you can either lift them or plant fresh ones at this time of the year. Now, lilies like a really nice rich soil, and my lily bed has been going for a while. They've become a bit congested and aren't flowering as well as they used to. So I've dug them all out very carefully. I've dug in some lovely leaf mould here into all the bed, and I'm just about to replant them now. Now, the planting depth varies from lily to lily. These are one of my favourite lily bulbs called African Queen, which are a longiflorum type, which means that as well as the roots coming from the bottom of the bulb there, they also root from the stem here. So really you need to be planting them at least that deep to benefit from that extra stability they get from the rooting on the stem. Now, to replant them, I'm using this very pretty new trowel that Burgon and Ball have brought out, part of their award-winning range. This is the heart-shaped planting trowel. Beautiful, pretty thing to look at. Very short, sturdy, strong, nice sharp point on it, and it's very good for these sorts of shallow bulb planting jobs, bedding plants and so on, because of its shape, very wide across the middle here and slightly curved like this. You can actually shift an awful lot of soil in this top layer very, very quickly. So I'm going to just get down to about 2.5 times the depth of the bulb is what you need. Some other lilies you can plant a bit shallower, like the Madonna lilies, but these ones, these stem rooting types, need a good deep depth. So we're going to pop him in, and I've separated out where the lily bulb was quite overgrown with side ones. I've just broken those off gently, and some of them are quite small. They won't flower this year, but I'm going to separate them out, let them grow on, and their turn will come in a year or two's time.